Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into what we believe is the best pool telescopic pole on the market. The US Pool supplied 12-foot aluminum telescopic pool pole. Whether you're maintaining a small backyard pool or managing a large one, this tool is an absolute game changer. Let's start with the build quality. This isn't your average flimsy plastic pole. What we have here is a professional-grade, durable, and sturdy aluminum telescopic pole. It's round, lightweight, and built to last, thanks to its rust-resistant aluminum construction. This pole is made up of 3 adjustable sections that smoothly slide out and lock firmly into place. Now, here's where it really stands out: telescopic versatility. The pole expands from a compact 4 feet all the way to 12 feet. And that's not just a number. It gives you the flexibility to reach deep ends of your pool, across wide surfaces, or even areas under tricky ledges and overhangs. Whether it's leaves in the deep end or debris clinging to the sides, you can reach it all without getting into the pool yourself. To make this extension smooth and secure, it uses heavy-duty slip-resistant twist locking cams. These external locking cams are robust, easy to twist, and hold firm under pressure. No more dealing with frustrating slips or sections that collapse while you're mid-clean. At the end of the pole, you'll find a universal 1-1/4 inch diameter attachment point. That's the industry standard, which means you can connect virtually any pool accessory: skimmer nets, rakes, brushes, vacuum heads, hoses, the whole lineup. No adapters, no frustration. Just click, twist, and go. The pole itself is built for both casual and heavy-duty use. If you're a pool owner looking for reliability or a maintenance pro needing efficiency, this pole meets both needs. Its ergonomic design also ensures a solid grip, and it doesn't flex awkwardly like cheaper alternatives. One of the things we love is the brand's commitment to customer satisfaction. US Pool Supply backs their product with a confidence guarantee, making your purchase worry-free. It's one of those tools that you buy once and don't have to think about again for years. In a market full of tools that promise a lot and deliver a little, the US Pool supplied 12-foot aluminum pool pole is refreshingly dependable. It's strong, expandable, compatible with all your accessories, and just simply works. So if you're tired of battling with subpar cleaning poles that bend, slip, or fall apart, it might be time to step up your game. This could be the last pool pole you ever need. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next review. See you in the next one, and happy cleaning.